Rembrandt's lighting is a popular portrait lighting technique in photography and cinematography that creates a dramatic look by using a specific pattern of light and shadow. The primary feature of Rembrandt lighting is the small, angled triangle of light that appears on the subject's cheek, opposite the primary light source. This triangle is formed by a combination of light and shadow and is typically seen on the side of the face turned away from the light source. To achieve this lighting, you need a single key light source, which can be a softbox, a window with indirect natural light, or any other controlled light source. The key light is usually placed at an angle of around 45 degrees to the subject and slightly above eye level. The direction of the light source is what creates the characteristic triangle. The shadow side of the face should be in relative darkness, creating a sense of depth and drama. It's common to use a fill light or a reflector on the shadow side to reduce the contrast and soften the shadows. Overall, Rembrandt lighting is a classic and timeless technique that can add depth and character to your portraits. It's essential to understand the principles and then adapt them to your specific subject and style.